Hello friends, in this video we are going to see some tough examples on simple equations. It's simple equations. If understood, simple equations are very simple. Now let's start with a tough example, okay? Okay, no need. Let's start from the basic level. 5 by 4y plus 2 by 3y will be equal to 5. Now solve for y. This is the question, okay? So now by saying this fraction form, right? So you should for adding it you should take LCM for it. So LCM of 4 and 3 will be 12, and so 3 times 4, so 3 into 5 15, so 3 into 4, so 4 into 2 will be 8y equals 5. So 15y plus 8y will be 23y by 12 equals 5. So which will be equal to cross multiplication 12 into 5, so 23y will be equal to 12 into 5 will be 60. So y will be equal to 60 by 23. As multiplication, 23y is in multiplication form, right? So if it goes that side, it will become division. As I already taught you the table, that's it. So we have found y, which will be equal to 60 by 23. Now let's do another example. Wait, let me change the pen. Got it. So 2x minus 4 by 5 plus 3x minus 2 by 6 be equal to 9. So now again take LCM of these both for adding. So 6 and 5, the LCM is 30. So 5 times 6, so 6 into 2x minus 4, as 5 into 6 equals 30, so make it as 6 times 2x minus 4 plus 5 times 6 is 30, so 5 times 3 minus 2 will be equal to 9. Now distributive property, 6 into 2x will be 12x, and 6 into minus 4 will be 24, and plus 5 into 3x will be 15x, and 5 into minus 2 will be minus 10, sorry, and so the denominator is 30, and so which will be 9. And now I already told you, now let's do cross multiplication. It's very important step in simple equation. We always get this sum like from this, plus 15x minus 10 by 30. Sorry, now let's cross multiply. So 30 into 9 will be 270. Got it, right? So now let's arrange it. 12x plus 15x will be 27x. So 27x minus 24 plus minus 10 will be minus 24 minus 10 will be nothing but 34, will be equal to 270. And now we are left with, which will be 27x will be equal to 270 plus 34. As this is subtraction, if it goes that side, it will become addition. So 27x will be equal to 304. You get. So x will be equal to 304 by 27. We have got answer. Now let's go with some tough question. For that, you should be ready. Even you can try it by passing the video. Okay, let's start. Let the question x squared by 3 plus x 2x squared, okay, it won't be squared, by 6 minus 3x squared by 9 equals 3. This is the question. Now it's with square numbers, squared constant, squared variables. So now let's take LCM for these all. So the LCM for these 3, 6 and 9 will be 18. So 3 6r equals 18. So 6x plus 6 into 3 will be 18. So 3 into 2x, which will be 6x, and 9 into 2 will be 18. So minus 2 into 3x squared, which will be 6x squared, will be equal to 3. And now 6x squared plus 6x minus 6x squared, by now cross multiplying, 18 into 3 will be 54. So as you thought, these are very tough questions, but actually when simplifying, you cancel these out. 6x squared minus 6x squared plus 6x squared plus minus 6x squared will be nothing but tada. Now we are left with 6x equals 54. So x will be equal to 54 by 6, which will be equal to 9. See how simple is this? Simple equations are very simple. Just we are being afraid of it. Now let's see another example. I'm exhausted with this page. The page is exhausted. We have got it. And this time, wait, let me second. Yeah, I'm back. And the next question, which will be, I think, 4th, right? 4th. The question is t minus, and so Olympiad problem, okay? This will be too big, but not too big. T minus 2t plus 5 bracket minus 5 into 1 minus 2t equals 2 into 3 plus 4t minus 3t minus 4, so bracket it. And so it seems like a big problem, right? But when simplified, it will be a very small problem. So let's simplify it, okay? So we have got t minus 2t plus 5 2t plus 5. This first let's simplify this. So t minus will be minus 2t, minus plus will be nothing but minus 5. So we have simplified this. The next will be minus 5 to the power of 1 minus 2t, and this minus 5 into 1 will be minus 5, and minus 5 into minus 2t will be plus 10t, will be equal to 2 into 3 plus 40. It's given already. I am now simplifying it. So 2 into 3 will be 6, and 2 into 40 will be 80. And so minus 3 to the whole minus 4. So now again minus 3t will be nothing but minus 3 into t will be nothing but minus 3t, and minus 3 into minus 4 will be plus 12. So we are ready with it. T minus 2t plus 10t will be 90. Minus 5 will be minus 10, will be equal to 6 plus 12 will be 18, and 80 plus 3 minus 3t will be 5t. So when 5t, let's take that side. So 5t will be minus 90. So 90 minus 5t will be equal to 18. This minus 10 will come here, so it will be plus 10. So 40 plus minus 5t will be nothing but 40. 90 minus 40 will be 90 minus 5t will be nothing but 40, which will be equal to 18 plus 10, which will be 28. So t will be equal to 28 by 4. This 4 will come here, so t will be equal to 7. This is a simple problem, right? And now the last example today. Let me change the color, and this will be a somewhat tough problem, and this will be a word problem. Okay, let's take it as a word problem. What color can I use? Let me take orange. The fifth problem of today. Okay, and this is a word problem. Okay, and the problem is let's take it as okay. Now Ramu's father is 4 times, wait, let me write it. Ramu's father is 4 times as old as Ramu. After 16 years, he will be just twice as his son. So the present age of Ramu equals x. So now we have to find the present age of Ramu. That's what the question means. And now let's try the question out. Okay. Okay. So the question tells Ramu's father is 4 times as old as Ramu. So one will be for Ramu. Let's take a table out here, and another will be for Ramu's father. And for these kind of problems we should use the tables. Okay, so if Ramu is x, let's take it as x, and Ramu's father will be 4 times x, 4 times Ramu, that is 4 times x, which will be 4x. After 16 years, so after 16 will be mean that x plus 16, and this will be nothing but 4x plus 16. We have got it already. Okay, now another one. So 4x plus 16, he will be, after 16 years, he will be just twice as his son. So that means 4x plus 16 is just twice as x plus 16. That means x plus 16 when twice equals 4x plus 16. That means after 16 years, Ramu's father will be just twice as his son. So his son is x plus 16 and Ramu's father is 4x plus 16. So twice means Ramu will get twice, which will be equal to Ramu's father. Did you understand the question? I think so. if you read the question again and again, you can easily understand it. So I am making Ramu equal to his father, his age. That will be twice of Ramu will be equal to Ramu's father's age. And we are done. We have found out the equation. And equation is the main part. And even finding the answers is the next. Okay, so 2x plus 16 is nothing but 2x plus distributive property. 2x plus 2 into 16, which will be 32, will be equal to 4x plus 16. 4x plus 16. So 2x, let it go that side, and 16 come here. So 32 minus 16 equal 4x minus 2x. And we are done. So 32 minus 16 will be 16 again, will be equal to 4x minus 2x will be 2x. So x will be equal to 16 by 2, which will be equal to 8. And we are done. So 8 is Ramu's age. That's x. So wait, let me change the color. So Ramu age. Where can I write it? Okay. Ramu age will be equal to 8, and Ramu father age will be equal to 4 into 8, which will be 32. So Ramu's father will be 32 years old and Ramu will be 8 years old. And see you in the next video.